last run for Roxy the Rockwood. Or as Paige calls it, the rolling turd.
Oh, well, you know, it's a little bittersweet.
Oh,
That's
well.
okay. Come on, we'll tell you what's up.
One last walk around. Everything looks okay. No drawers are open. Hatches are open. Okay. So what's going on?
Well, we are on our way to Elkhart, Indiana. And if you have been in the RV industry very long, you know Elkhart, Indiana is a very special place for a couple reasons.
It's the RV capital of everything.
The RV museum is
Yeah,
there.
there's like everything there. Like half the RVs in the world are built there.
Yeah, so today we are on our way to pick up our
New to us RV.
new to us RV. We are picking up a Class A Jayco Precept Prestige 36U today. We are super psyched.
Yeah, we got to work on a name. I was thinking Prestige Worldwide.
Why?
All right.
Come on, let's go on an adventure.
5 hours later.
What?
How's it feel?
To what?
Pull the rolling turd for one more time.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Look at her back there. 1.2 miles, babe.
Good.
Tell your destiny.
Destiny.
Yeah. Excited. We just bought a Class A. We're gonna give you guys a full tour,
Later.
but we just wanted to say how excited we were and how easy the process was through lazy days. So thank you guys for that, and we cannot wait to show you guys all our adventures in our new Class A motorhome.
Right, I made it back home. It was a long trip, uneventful. I didn't film any of it because I was getting used to driving and everything. We did get all set up at home, no issues. We're going to do a shakedown trip this coming weekend to the Mount Gilead KOA. It has full hookups and everything, just so we can go through and practice everything. You know, setting up, tearing down, doing the tanks, the water, all that good stuff. We're probably not going to film it because we want to learn and take our time. But we do have a trip coming up to East Fork, which is down near Cincinnati. And then we're going to go up to the lakes at East Harbor. And then I'm not sure where we're going after that. We do got several trips planned, but we just wanted to share our news. We are going to do a video and just take you through everything, do the full tour. But for now, that's all we wanted to share. But if you can, get out, have an adventure, and make some memories.